Hello friends, I managed to blow up my hybrid off-grid solar inverter, only the DC battery side. So what happened was the system was drawing about 80 amps through the batteries, and the DC circuit breaker decided to short itself, and it blew up the DC side of this inverter. So this is a Voltronic power inverter. They come in many different names, MPP Solar or EAsun, and PowLand Must or POWLand, and it's a VM2 version of it. So there's a newer version of this as well. So it didn't blow the big fuse in here. It's rated at 150 amps, but it did blow all the MOSFETs inside there. So I'm not sure why they got a 150 amp fuse when your system is only rated at 4000 watts. So 150 amps by 50 volts is about 7500 watts, and that thing is not going to blow up unless a major short circuit somewhere else. So somehow it didn't blow up my fuse, but did blow up the MOSFETs. So I will show you the MOSFETs and how I repaired it. So here are the MOSFETs I managed to blow, and I have 16 of them. They are IRFP4115, and I took one off to test, and it was obviously leaking, and I managed to replace all of them. It was an easy task, and the MOSFETs arrived from RS UK. They arrived within 3 days of ordering all the way from UK to Sri Lanka. So that's a DC breaker. It could possibly be a loose connection or a faulty circuit breaker itself. Anyhow, I managed to fix the inverter and put it back together, and seems to be holding pretty well. So I have 24 leaf modules, and in the future I will have the 63 amp DC breaker, and also would have the 80 amp fuses in series from the batteries, and all batteries are individually fused at 50 amps as well. So it's a 7S 3P system battery bank. So I got sort of 3 sets of protection before it reaches to the inverter itself. And hope you learned something. Thank you very much.